passive income is real. And in this video, I'm going to show you proof that it's real, and I'm going to show you the ultimate way to make it in 2020. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Liam James Kay, and this channel is all about entrepreneurship, marketing, and making money online. Today's video is all about passive income. You know that type of income that Gary Vee said is bullshit? But it's not. And in this video, I'm going to prove to you that it's not, and I'm going to show you the ultimate way to make passive income in 2020. But before I do, I just want to clear up what passive income is. So passive income basically just means money that comes in that you earn when you're not doing the work. So you could be away from the computer, you could be doing your own thing, and that money would still continue to come in. That's basically what passive income is. But I want to make it clear that it's not some magic button that you press and the money comes in. It's not a money printer. It's nothing like that. The strategies that I'm going to share with you in this video bring in passive income, but they do require a bit of work and a bit of setup initially to get things going. But the good thing about the strategy that I'm going to share with you in today's video, it doesn't require massive investment or anything like that, because traditionally passive income you would get from like stocks and shares or from like property investments, from like rental properties. And that is a form of passive income, but they typically require a massive investment. What I'm going to share with you in this video doesn't require any investment at all. It just requires a bit of work to set up in the beginning, and then you can sit back while the money comes rolling in. It sounds a bit too good to be true, but it's really not, and I'm going to prove it to you. But first of all, I'm going to jump on my computer. I'm going to show you proof of passive income that I'm currently earning at the moment, and then I'm going to reveal the strategy behind it. Right, so let's jump on. Okay, so this is the first account which I want to show you. I'll just refresh this page so you can see that it's not a screenshot or anything. I've not edited it. And as you can see here, £7.56, which I mean, it's not a crazy amounts of money, but I'm getting multiple of these every single day. So this is actually yesterday's date, the 21st. 5 of them come in, which is like over £30. And then the day before, we had a couple of them. And then every single day, this keeps going back day after day after day. I'm getting these payments coming through, and I've genuinely not done anything with this account for over 2 years. And that money comes in like clockwork. I actually make around about £1,000 per month in passive income from this account. And that's like the same as owning like a rental property in the UK, or even like 2 rental properties in the UK. This is giving me the equivalent of that in passive income. And then this is another account here which I've got, which you can see here, they've got commissions coming in, $13.47, $13.47, $13.47. And again, this is today's date and yesterday's date. I'm getting those multiple commissions, payments coming in every single day in passive income. And again, if you go to this other software, which I've recently just started to use and promote, and you look at down here, these rebills, 40% commissions, $39, $39, $39, $39, multiple recurring commissions coming in. So as you might have gathered from that, the way that I'm making this money is from affiliate marketing. And in particular, not just any kind of affiliate marketing, it's affiliate marketing, membership-based software products, which is the ultimate way to make passive income in 2020. And you might be watching this thinking, affiliate marketing, I've heard about that before. That's because you're looking for the magic sauce or the magic button or this magic thing which doesn't exist. And honestly, the ultimate way to make passive income in 2020 is by promoting products that other people own and earn commissions from it. So if you don't know, affiliate marketing is literally when you find a product which someone else has already created, so like a software product. So these products which I just showed you here, this one is like a website builder, sales funnel builder. This one's a website builder and sales funnel builder. And this one here is a like a betting, risk-free betting membership site. And I signed up to them as an affiliate for free. And then I grabbed my affiliate link, which is my unique referral link, and then I shared it with people. And when they signed up, I earn commission. But I don't just earn one-time commission. I earn commission every single month that they stay signed up. So that's where the passive income element comes into it. And if you follow me on this channel, you'll know that this one's Builderall, which I actually quit a few months ago. I've not promoted it at all. I've actually removed my links, my promotional links from my YouTube videos. I've stopped promoting it. I was actually going to sell the account, but that fell through. And the commissions, some commissions are still coming through in total passive income. So that just proves to you that passive income really does work. So now I'm going to show you where to find products like this that you can promote, and I'm going to show you the strategies behind promoting them and sharing them for free. And genuinely, I really do believe this is the best way of making passive income. And I've recently been guilty of like shiny object syndrome, trying to think of different ways of making money. And I even started to build an e-commerce store for like Christmas time, and I was going to start promoting it. I did start promoting it, and I ran into a few issues with Facebook ads. But I'm quite glad actually, because I was losing sight of the best way. Because if you're doing like an e-commerce store, which people are talking about like Shopify and promoting products, that's not passive income. Even if you're running adverts and they're placing orders, if you're doing drop shipping, you usually have to place the orders anyway, so that's not passive. But then you've got to deal with customer service, and you've got to deal with returns, and you've got to deal with all that. There's also other people talking about starting an agency, a social media marketing agency, where you get clients. And then you've got to deal with them clients on a daily basis. So it's like every single client you've got is like a boss. So that's not passive income. This is the best way of making passive income, because you're finding a product that someone else has created, and you find a good product that's got a team of people that are working in the office dealing with the customer service. So when someone signs up to that product and they pay, you haven't got to do anything else. You sit back, you relax, you can then go to the beach. And if someone's got a technical issue, they get in touch with the person that created the product. If they're thinking of cancelling, they get in touch with the person that created the product. If they want to change their account or their billing details, they get in touch with the person that created the product, and you're still earning the commissions. So I just stand by it as the best way of making passive income in 2020. So the best way of finding products and the best types of products for this is software products, or software as a service, like online software based products like website builders like Kartra, ClickFunnels, Builderall. Those types of platforms where you sign up, and if you want to sign up to those as an affiliate, you literally just Google like ClickFunnels affiliate, Kartra affiliate, Builderall affiliate, and you will be able to find a place where you can sign up and you earn commissions. But the best part about it is there's so many products out there that you can promote as an affiliate. And someone said to me a little while ago, like, is affiliate marketing oversaturated? And it can't be oversaturated for as long as people are bringing out new products. And there's always a new software product or a new program that's coming out, which you can promote as an affiliate. So if you feel like one of the platforms is oversaturated, you don't have to promote that one. You can go and find new products. So the best way of finding them is actually just look at, is anything that you're using yourself. So if you're signed up to a membership site, check if it's got an affiliate program. If you're signed up to a website builder, check if it's got an affiliate program, and just have a look. Any apps on your phone, productivity apps, editing software, anything. All of these things have got affiliate programs, and you can promote them. And I'm going to show you how to promote them in a second in this video, but I just want to show you other ways that you can actually find products that are not saturated as well. So one of the easiest ways to do this is just go into YouTube and type in phrases around different types of products. So you could literally type in like best website builders, and then you'll find people doing videos about them. And more often than not, inside those videos, they will have underneath their videos affiliate links, which means that those programs have got an affiliate program, which means you can then sign up to that yourself. But also, as you're watching videos, it might not come up, it's not come up here now, but obviously adverts get shown to you when you're interested in a certain thing. So if you start watching videos about softwares and about things like that, advertisers will start advertising newer products to you. So rather than skipping the adverts, actually look at the advert and think, oh, what are they advertising to me? Go onto the website, find out if they've got an affiliate program by going to the bottom of the website and looking for affiliate, if it says affiliate sign up or anything like that, or just Googling product name followed by affiliate, and then you can sign up as an affiliate. So that's one of the best ways of finding them. Another way is just going into Google and typing like best softwares or best software for small businesses or things like that, or new product launches, and just do a bit of research. It's just common sense. Just find people that have already done lists. And if you find people blogging about things, there's a good chance it's got an affiliate program. And also, just see what gets shown to you in your everyday life. So if you're reading a blog post about something, maybe they're telling you about a new product which has just come out, and you just need to start thinking with a business head as opposed to like a consumer's head. So when you see an advert, don't think, oh, it's another advert. Think, oh, what is that they're advertising? Because if they're advertising it, it must be profitable. So then can I jump in there and promote it as an affiliate? And you obviously want to promote things that you're interested in as well. So if you're interested in building websites and building funnels, it makes sense to promote things about building websites and building funnels. If you're interested in fitness and health, then there might be some membership sites or apps and programs, well I know there's apps and programs, to help you with getting fit, which you might want to promote as an affiliate and earn money that way. You can also find affiliate products on affiliate networks like ClickBank and Warrior Plus and Max Bounty, but honestly, I wouldn't start there because the products on there aren't that high quality. They usually aren't recurring commissions anyway, but you really want to go for like a proper software that's been released to the public, that is sound, that it is high quality, because there's no point getting people to sign up to something just to earn a quick commission if you know they're going to cancel a month later. You want people to sign up to with your affiliate link to a product that they're going to use for years and years and years, like a website builder, or website hosting is another one as well, which you could look into. So yeah, those are the types of products which are best to promote, and that's kind of the best way to find them, really, just manually looking for them on the internet. But you might be thinking, how can I promote them? How can I get people to sign up with my affiliate links? And the answer is right in front of you. YouTube is one amazing way to do it. And people are going to hate me for saying this because people think, oh, I can't do YouTube. But you can do YouTube, and it's probably the easiest way to get your link out there. I'll show you another way in a second where you don't have to show your face. But this is a video which I did years ago. Well, it's about over a year ago. Builderall review. So I was reviewing Builderall, the platform which I earned over $210 or $20,000 from, which I showed you earlier, and I'm still earning commissions from that today. And this is when I first started. It was like the fifth video I did on my YouTube channel, and it wasn't even that good. And all I did was I reviewed Builderall, and you can see here it's the old-fashioned version of Builderall. I just went through the tools and what it did, and I did a video and I put the name Builderall Review, and I did a YouTube video about it. I wasn't confident on camera, so you've got no excuse. I just did it. You can even just do screen record as well, so you don't show your face and you're just doing that. And people will come and search Builderall Review because they're thinking of signing up, or Kartra Review, or ClickFunnels Review, and things like that, or whatever you're promoting. They will search it because they're thinking of signing up, and then all you do is say, my affiliate link's in the description if you want to sign up, and you get people to sign up that way. That is a straightforward way. Another way of doing it is by providing value on YouTube. So I do a lot of software products. So for instance, I told people about a business idea, how to make $8,000 per month on my YouTube channel recently. And during that, I showed them that I was using a website or a sales funnel which was built on Kartra, which was another platform I was promoting. And I said, if you want a copy of that, you can sign up to Kartra with my affiliate link and get that. And that's it. And then I'm providing value. And because I'm providing value, I'm showing them a way to use a platform or a piece of software. Then people sign up with my link. And you don't need to have loads of followers because you're going to be or loads of subscribers, because the way that you get traffic for these types of YouTube videos is from search. So if you manage to get a good software, which is fairly new or not a lot of people are promoting, like I did when I first joined Builderall, it's much easier to get to the top of YouTube and get people to sign up. And that's as easy as it is. And people think, oh, I can't get in front of the camera. I can't get in front of the camera. But like my profit accumulator video, which I showed you is still making me $1,000 per month, which I did down here, that video is making me the same amount as owning 2 rental properties. So if you face your fears and get in front of the camera to do a 10-minute video, which is gonna pay you the equivalent of owning 2 houses for the next 3 years, you do the maths, mate. It's obvious, it's a no-brainer. Just face your fears and get in front of the camera. But if you don't wanna get in front of the camera, you can do it the other way, which was also in front of your face, because I told you before how to find products is from blogs, people that do blogging. So you can do a blog reviewing a product, and someone might go review of Kartra. They search review of Kartra. Someone here has done a review of it, which they did on a blog. So you can create a blog on WordPress, and in that it will have their affiliate links. That's a faceless way of doing it. It takes a bit of time and it takes a bit of effort to create the posts and rank them using SEO, but you can get free traffic to that. And like I just said, it could be the equivalent of owning like 2 rental properties bringing in passive income. So are you prepared to spend the next month or so putting together a good blog post and a good blogs and reviewing things or good YouTube videos if that could pay you out monthly income every month for years and years and years? Yeah, yes you would. So don't think about the time it's going to take you now. Compare it to owning rental properties and renovating and investing crazy amounts of money when you can get similar returns from affiliate marketing recurring products. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and this strategy and more ways of getting your links out there and finding products, I actually got a free training in the description which you can check out and learn more about affiliate marketing and make this your #1 strategy for 2020 because it works. I've got proof that it works and it is one of the best ways of making passive income. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below what you thought of the video. Also, let me know what you think of my new lighting setup because I've recently just got this new light. Let me know what you think of it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, cheers guys.